Welcome to all to my Geospatial YouTube channel. Particularly in this session, we are discussing in detail about if it relates to the PhD work. Last video we discussed about the overview of this my research work, and particularly in this video, I am going to discuss in detail about the title of my research work, introduction, and aims and objective of my research. The title of my research is Geoenvironmental Appraisal for a part of Papua Coast, South India, a geomatics approach. That means a modern geomatics tools such as remote sensing, digital image processing, photogrammetry, and GIS to monitor and validate the geoenvironmental characteristics for a part of Papua Coast, which is located in the central part of Tamil Nadu. According to introduction about the coastal studies is generally the coastal geoscientific community peoples given their attention towards coastal zones. Because of 70% of global population, over 2/3 of megacities, huge industrial complexes and major economic zones are all concentrated along the coastal zones. In the recent years, these coastal zones will definitely play a major role in the economic and industrial development of several countries. Particularly the developing country like India, it plays a crucial role because of vast coastal stretch, nearly 7,000 kilometers of coastal stretch. Out of 7,000 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers was land within Tamil Nadu. The developmental activities along this coastal zone have already created a serious ecological and environmental problems. And there is an urgent need for the sustainable development of this coastal zone. For the study of the sustainable development of the coastal zone, a holistic understanding of various coastal zone processes and its geoenvironmental characteristics are very much essential. That would act as a foundation for framing various eco-friendly management plans. Based on this requirement, this present study was aimed to bring out the geoenvironmental characteristics of the study area, to infer the ongoing dynamic process, resource potential, and suggest eco-friendly developmental plans for the sustainable development of the coastal area. The attempt of this aim, different objectives was listed out. The preparation of coastal geomorphology in 1:5,000 scale using high resolution satellite data in addition to the field work. Conduct the sedimentological studies using the soil samples collected from various landforms to interpret the depositional environment and also infer the resource potential. According to resource potential in the study to infer the heavy mineral and radioactive element concentration. That means potassium, thorium, and uranium concentrations. Attempted. The land use land cover changes for the year 1981 to 2016 was identified using temporal changes, using temporal data, and also bring out the shoreline modification for during 1972 to 2015 using these as software. Particularly for this study, for this analysis, baseline data for the shoreline changes was taken as topo sheet, which is representing the 1972 shoreline. And DSAS is a free tool, which is inbuilt tool, which is available in the ArcGIS software, ESRI software. And to determine the seasonal changes of suspended sediment concentration along the offshore region of Papua region, image processing techniques was used. And I'll bring out the coastal regulation zone map for the study area and suggest the sustainable coastal zone management plan. That's all from this particular part of this video. And in the next video, we may discuss about the study area for this research work and different thematic maps relates to prepared for the study area. Thank you.